Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your iPhone 14 and updating iOS so satellite protocols are current. Next, make sure location services and cellular are on, because the phone needs GPS and network context to aim. Sign into your Apple ID. This links emergency contacts and health info. Now open Settings, tap Emergency SOS, and choose Set up Satellite Connectivity. Once done, your phone will guide initial permissions and short training prompts, so you know how to point the device when sending. You trigger satellite mode by pressing the side and volume button or using the Emergency SOS shortcut in Settings. This prioritizes satellite over cellular. Follow the on-screen aiming prompts. Rotate slowly until the on-screen indicator shows a lock. Make sure you have a clear view of the sky and minimize obstructions like roofs or thick foliage. Then choose Satellite Message to send a compressed emergency text. Include your location, situation, and any medical details. This structured path improves delivery success and responder accuracy. You finish by keeping the phone pointed until the app confirms the message was sent. Don't move away too quickly, because a single successful handshake completes delivery. If it fails, move to a clearer open area, restart the aiming sequence, and retry. Satellite links need unobstructed line of sight. Make sure iOS is updated and review the emergency SOS logs in Settings for status codes. If problems persist, reset network settings or contact Apple support. This helps isolate hardware versus account issues before assuming device failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.